daily around us, we can see many solid objects, right? Yeah. Now let us consider one example. So let us consider your classroom where all the students will be sitting on the desk. So here, that book and box, board, pencil, sharpener, chalk. All these are the solid object. Now, let me consider one more example. Okay, so let us consider that there are many children, they are playing in the ground. And far away, there is an apple tree. So near that apple tree, there is one girl who is standing near that apple tree and she is eating the ice cream. And if you observe, there are some more children where they are playing the ball or they are playing with the ball and spinning top. Now here, the objects like apple, ice cream, ball, spinning top are solid objects. Similarly, the matchbox, cube, carrot, pipe, cracker, soda can, dice, all these are the solid objects. Now, we can consider all these objects and we can group these objects and book and board in one group. And similarly, I can group books, matchbox, board in one group, and then cracker, pipe, chalk and soda can in one more group, and then ball, apple, balloon in one group, and then ice cream, carrot and spinning top in one more group, and cube, dice and box in one group. So this is how we can group the object based on their similar shape. So in the next class, let's see about the sliding object.